Hey y'all, it's April with Homesteadin in the City, and it's the beginning of August and it is hot. Even as I'm speaking to you, some clouds just moved and the sun is beating down even harder than when I first knelt down here. But as you can see, most of my tomatoes are fried. We tried, we got some, but it's no match for this heat. So I'm thinking towards fall now. So today we're going to talk about 5 seeds that I'm planting now in August to get ready for fall. One of the things that I'm really looking forward to planting this late summer for fall is greens. Now I'm going to do 3 different types. I have collard green seeds that I pulled from previous plants. I have some kale seeds. They look very similar. Kale is a little bit smaller. I have some here as well. And then mustard seeds. And mustard again looks a lot like the collards and the kale. Some differences, as you can see, but they're all very similar, though they do have different flavor profiles. But these greens are packed with vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and they're just overall good for us. But the other thing is they taste so much better when they're harvested in the cold winter. These greens can handle some frost. Now I have a collard plant that has lasted me a long time. I've gotten some good use out of it. Here in the South, we love our greens, particularly our collards. They don't smell so great when you start cooking them, but by the time you're done, if you do them right, they're so good. So we're going to be really intentional about planting our greens for the right season this time. The next seeds I'm going to plant are carrots. Now, this past year, I planted just a few seed tapes of carrots, and I got one tiny measly carrot out of it. Now, I will say the 2 bites that I had of it were very good, but I'm going to try several different ways this year. I'm still going to do some seed tape, but I've also gotten seeds of some other varieties. So we're going to see which is better, whether we have our long thin carrots or our short girthy boys. And we'll see, hopefully, if we can grow both of them. We can compare and see which ones satisfy the most. We also have multicolored carrots that we're going to try. And we can plant some of these in containers and also direct sow into the ground. So I'm going to do a variety of those. And so I'm looking forward to carrots. You know, they have the vitamin A. Maybe they'll help me be able to not have to wear my glasses anymore. We'll see. Also plenty of fiber. So carrots, real good vegetable. Good time to plant, late summer. Another good vegetable to plant in the late summer for the fall are radishes. And now I've had some success with radishes, so I have a few seedlings or seeds there, and then a few more from the pack. And the good thing about radishes is you can plant them along with carrots. So since I'm doing carrots, we'll probably do radishes next to some of them. And radishes, they give you a nice crunchy zing to any of your dishes. They have tons of vitamins, nutrients. It's just good stuff. It's got a nice little spicy, peppery taste to it. And I've had pretty good success with radishes here in South Carolina. So we're going to give them a go again. The next seeds that I'm going to attempt are lettuce. I've never had a lot of luck with lettuce, but I've never been that intentional with it either. It's never been a seed that I've thought was too important to plant because it's easy to get at the grocery store, it's cheap, you can get all kinds of lettuces, but here in the US we've been having some contaminated lettuce, and that lettuce has been contaminated with a parasite or whatever, bacteria, parasite, I think it's a parasite, that has been giving people the bad poops. So Now, in August, where it's a good time to plant lettuce, I'm going to try to take a little bit of control over my lettuce supply chain. So hopefully I won't get the poops. Now the last seed that I'm planting in August is beans. So I have some Sea Island red peas. They're called peas, but I believe they're of the bean family as well. And these are some from previous plants that I've planted. And then I also have this bush bean trio that I'm going to try. Beans are pretty sturdy. They grow fast. They also have lots of fiber. So you get the right types of poops with beans. Not the contaminated lettuce poops, but you get a nice fibrous excrement. Pretty much the kind your doctor wants you to have. And so I'm gonna see if I can get some of these growing and producing before it gets cold, because it takes a while before we get frosty here typically. And so sometimes you can walk out in December and it feels like a nice spring day. Other times you can walk out in December and it feels very frigid. So we're gonna take a chance with our beans. I have some growing right now, but I do feel like the extreme heat has kind of stunted them. So we'll see what fall can bring us with our beans. So there you have it, friends. That's what we're planting in August here in South Carolina to hopefully give us something nice for the fall, something to look forward to. So keep checking back on this channel, because we'll give updates and let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.